Kalyjay say make we call you big. Fire stick say you dey like work we.
Oh my God, Shatta Wale, why? This is EPG Empower People's Group, and this is a beef between the Shatta Wale and the dingo himself, Sheldon. Now this beef, like, I don't know why this thing turned beef. Because, okay, let me take you to the genesis of this beef. They go for a beef when you now buy. And I know in so be toy. And I could Sheldon fear honum. Na epo China, a Chinese say epo no don sa boom na okaha and chini wom. Na say no kra could Sheldon fear na milogumu. Nti I draw 1-1. Na could Sheldon wadane fish, wadane mark fish, wadane mame water. We the papa water na wadane. Frog. Abo bi odan so we waiting the ma Sheldon. Sheldon video e dey beto internet and so. And I was say, hey, ebusiafo, come see the place where I dey live no. Water won't carry me go where the water carry my kiosk away. And Branny, every assembia ekwaku bia sankra Branny a asem no enko wie peye. When a Branny be ko to Shatta dingo. Also bro, I know say we get beef, but as I see say you dey go to hardship there, I for help you. So in case you need my help, make you no hesitate to contact me. When I got trigger issue in na buy, we because senka Shatta Wale dienka or yeah papa. But between Shatta Wale and Sheldon, there is this rift a woman team. Sheldon come reply say, hey, who you want do papa? If you know papa to do, go do your old lady papa, because you know Chebia your old lady come for the media top come cry say you no get place to sleep. So if you get help, go fi help your old lady. That be where sparkle all this beef. Where Shatta Wale say, hey, you be small boy, you Sheldon, your head like polytank. Me, I be the dancer king, African dancer king where you won't do me. Hey. He be there now the beef start. Where Sheldon go studio go cook something. You go cook some content be. And Shatta Wale say me so me farmer. And I'm a doctor, me a musician. Me too, I go feel enter studio go cook something. Non-so cook beef song. And this is the 50th Shatta Wale's beef song I will drop it. And for the record's sake, he get more beef song past Patapa's whole career songs I will drop it. And it's a fact. Patapizi, we love you. Patupa soldiers, Mamunja lie. We are just dropping fat. So your man go studio go cook something. Fame. Where the artwork and you put Sheldon there and you know say Sheldon. Say wow so nim drawing draw crown what you draw nipa ni anything kese no a draw Sheldon. Na some man ni aba nya kese no ano. Shatta Wale go studio go cook beef song give Sheldon. Where Sheldon na also go react to the song. Charlie, this industry I feel like at this point Shatta Wale and Sheldon make them come together do something. Because as he said, them love them body, but it be like say it be ego and pride way no they allow them to do that thing. But we are here to decode it, and we beg you, you know say it be Shatta Wale who cook this song, so the FF West there it go be plenty. So make you forgive us. EPG Empower People's Group. If this is your first time on this channel, just hit on the subscribe button. Let's keep it going. Fame Shatta Wale. Let's eat it.
From Zongo, so watch your mouth when you take to the Congo. How many times I go tell you Mutombo? I get the fans from Ghana to Congo. The fuck be bongo? Hey, to my Congo.
Was that a diss song to Bongo Ideas or what? Because they say who the F is Bongo. Hey, now Bongo Ideas tini baby na Shatta Wale ako hey.
Be bongo, hey, to my Congo. To my Polytank. Fans from Ghana to Congo, the fuck be bongo. Hey, to my Congo. To my Polytank, Atomo. Content creator in a let to my bonyo. Hey, I will go to my halfway keeping. Nigga, you sleeping. Fuck your dog. If you don't want peace, me, I want war. How many times you did knock my door? You make like you say, hit throw with it like you go see your saw.
Yes, he say if you don't want peace and you want war, me I go fit bring the war. How many times will you knock my door? So Shatta Wale was just referring to that time na omoko medical kobo show O2 arena no. we all see say Kwadwo Sheldon Asia no airport na or yes or betcha na ba Shatta Wale man samayibi. But after all no more church dim komo. And he say you how many times where you knock my door say make you stop all this beef and come together. And today me I want peace with you where I come say I go fit help you you they do yourself some way be. So if you no want peace and you want war there actually the one we go fit give to you woto.
How many times you did knock my door? You make like you say hit throw with it like you go see your saw. I dey respect protocol, but if you cross me, I go show you short gun. I get the boys if you do, we go show many guns. It be time we go tell patience where we get. This internet talk be too much. Try meet me again, you go suck your muma. I go bring the spirit from your susuma. There you go see, say I get that spirit where you take from the juju. Who they just film pass you?
Yo. Shatta Wale is belling some EB here. He says make Kwadwo Sheldon try him. You go see say the juju where he go take no, it be small as compared to or no Shatta Wale juju no. Hey, that's a Kwadwo Sheldon na Kwadwo do no the year jume. Reaction ni breakdown ye nyina ye nkakra nka no Kwadwo Sheldon Kwadwo draw. O dey extra chere baby akọ eni mbra why. Make you take that line again see.
Go bring the spirit from your susuma. There you go see, say I get that spirit where you take from the juju. Who they just film pass you? Who they just film pass you? You know see you bite more than you can chew. You know see you bite more than you can chew. I should they just film pass you? Who they just film pass you? You know see you bite more than you can chew. You know see you bite more than you can chew. I shoot. Real silent killer. Internet bill you fuck nigga. Judgment rain pan fuck niggas.
Hey,
enough it do thing. Kelvin tell us say your new name Big Bing. Kalyjay say make we call you big. Fire stick say you the like work we.
yo, this one here Shatta Wale like I say tokabi ohoroba uni obi kuntoka. That's how we refer to the previous untoka name man for accounts. Kalyjay say you the break. Kelvin tell us say yo, this be my humble advice for Kwadwo Sheldon. Dingo. Me, I dey love you, I dey cherish you. You do against all us. Charlie, right in you make money. Sheldon, you make money. I beg, make you gather with the money, go Italy or Germany where you go fit go. Go make them do your head. Utino koro monte sunanya ketkete. Cause my wins I say, obi ani ni benya beef bia utina no already do atem. Apart from Utino, omuni be omuni be do atem. So Kwadwo Sheldon, I dey beg you. Me, I dey admire you from far. I dey support you, I dey follow you, I dey do everything. It be you cry make I dey do this breakdown, but I dey beg you, make you go, make them do surgery to your head. Because akwai say no kwane dey atem e wo ho. Obi an ni benya beef bia oni ade bia o dey be do atem e ka uti no. So we beg you, Kwadwo Sheldon, thank you for listening to me and thank you for taking this advice. So make you go do your hair surgery. We love you.
The girl you go take. So your dick small just like me. If you
hey Brandy, look, I have stated one thing about Shatta Wale. Anytime on a bema beefy biaro, you go fit talk about destiny, the dick and performance in bed. The last time on a bena boy enya beef no can the same thing. And then so ni Kwadwo Sheldon wasaka the same thing. O say get na ko fan Kwadwo Sheldon say o dick yes small. I don't know say Shatta Wale dan kasa no o man omo wi ase nyina no o hodi omo samayi bia o ya mo di information ebro mo say dey eh e be kakra no yere kra da hwe o ya Shatta Wale news obe de ge piero. Ana well, yeah, said ye ni honum on the cow, see Kwadwo Sheldon a small one, yet ye ni mo.
Hey, make we call you big. Fire stick say you the like work we. The girl you go take. So your dick small just like me. If you go this not be boy like me. Some 35 now your house they sink. You the show camera. If you want invest for Kenu.
I beg me. I don't know waiting days I'm 35. If you don't watch this video and you know waiting days I'm 35. I beg, make you put it down there. Some 35. And at the end of honor. Wow, would you mudi say okwa sorry and I say wuni me mesro at the corner was some 33 no bosha o my what yes wa now ye dey hey Shatta Wale okotu bible nyina o
think you the show camera if you want invest for Kenu we dey talk for land you dey talk for lagoon
think Shatta Wale, I think on your shoulder, if you want to invest in your house, no be your cameras. Charlie, no be KSS studio where you go spec everything, make you go invest in canoe. So say if the rain fall, like you go fee there on the canoe where you go fee escape. Hey Shatta Wale, might be advised though, because African where you go June July, the amount every seconds be a rare. It will say make you stop investing in your camera in your studio and go buy canoe. I think that be advice from Shatta Wale. Hey, as we dey record live from one home, you dey record from Lagoon. I didn't go for Shatta Wale. How can I?
Invest for canoe, we dey talk for land, you dey talk for lagoon. Me I no fit draw, but I go fit draw your cartoon. Big head, big eyes, corner book me and learn from Zongo. So watch your mouth.
I said it. Me say unim drawing crowd draw. Me and catch you say draw Kojo Sheldon. Just draw ni pebia. Ni tino kwa ade ne kese ne ni aba ne akese no ano. We draw Kojo Sheldon. Kojo Sheldon. Mama made me humble advice amount. So be take it I be boa wan kasa. Because here Nigeria content creators be on ma. Ba akubia me hwe na yi na omo se ne hwene e style bi onya eska okoye ne hwene. E na omo sa complaints na so. Onya eska so asa koye na so. So Kojo Sheldon I beg you make you go do your head surgery. Because as he said that be the only insult where people go fit take insult you. Go do with the beg.
When you dey do the combo, how many times I go tell you Mutombo? I get the fans from Ghana to Congo, the fuck be bongo. Who the chase them pass you? Who the chase them pass you? You know see you bite more than you can chew. You know see you bite more than you can chew. I should the chase them pass you. Who the chase them pass you? You know see you bite more than you can chew. You know see you bite more than you can chew. I shoot. Me's a real silent killer. Internet feel you fuck nigga. Judgment rain pon fuck niggas. Me's a real silent killer. Internet feel you fuck nigga. Judgment rain pon fuck niggas.
Who they chase fame pass you Kojo Sheldon? That be why Shatta Wale they talk. So Shatta Wale na kasana like ne career mu wadesi obiasi. Wadesi ni petitri bi ejuma bi awie bi a wadesi bi da. Hey Ken Wale. As I talk now, this be the 50th day song Shatta Wale drop for his whole career. Eso chen Shatta Wale eso chen patapa whole career enyuma watana se record. Hey Shatta Wale, for life is for life. Me I be SM, but sometimes you dey go overboard. Brani, I beg you, as I talk this, make you no come on Shatta movement. We for life is for life. Mama mba me so why me sremo. So that be all ya pon Shatta Wale fame. Shatta Wale a cookie beef ama Kojo Sheldon. Na Kojo Sheldon na ankasa kra mente da se. Obi ya cookie beef ama wasa kwa tra studio I say break it down. Rade ya kopo. Charlie, this man you can't even envy him. Omu mi nyina won't me envy omo because like Charlie they are just untouchable. Just allow them send your be and say yes remo ya na mu ye bi say ya on. What you can do is say my followers for no am advise you say they can just do this on the internet apart from internet and when man fan basic physical world say be abeshia Kojo Sheldon fan be now your SM now to an access can treat be kwa kubam die esremo everything should remain on the internet who be can Shatta Wale post to a go pour out to hang and be trend Kojo Sheldon so yeah go and do the same thing. But right after the internet, your bab on and I see a bay fear, nothing else. This is EPG, Empower People's Group. What we do is we put spotlight on Ghanaian artists, especially the up and coming ones. And this is what we do here in our channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, please, what you will do for us is subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification button, click on the like button and put your comment down. The SME Dingo fans, make you come spoil here for us. So yeah, crown. Bye bye.